Well, we're here at DevOpsDays Raleigh. I'm here with Karen. It's nice to see you again.
Nice to see you again,
we met
Jason.
at DevOpsDays LA a couple years ago, so it's good to. I'm glad to have you here in Raleigh. Tell for those of you who don't know you, can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, I'm Karen. I'm with Appdome. We do mobile app security and fraud prevention.
Okay.
And we do it in a unique way. We add to the mobile app binary. So it's not changing the source code in any way, but we do this in the DevOps pipeline. So we're integrated with all the CI/CD vendors, GitHub, GitLab, and so forth. So it makes it really easy for developers, DevOps, to get the security they need in their mobile apps.
Great. Well, you had a talk here at DevOpsDays here in Raleigh. Can you give us a few key points from your talk to share with the audience, and what did you talk about today?
Yeah, so mobile app development is going like gangbusters because mobile apps are just being increasingly used across every organization, but also in our daily lives. And as I saw a lot of talk about AI, Gen AI, the hackers are also using AI to make new malware, to make new hacks and attacks. And so all that is increasing, at a faster speed. And so we need, and so I talked about in my talk, just a much faster way. We need an automated way. And that's what I love about DevOps Days is because we come here and we talk about all the ways that we can automate different aspects of our lives, and that's what we are doing. So the key takeaway is developers, you don't have to write the code yourself. You don't have to muck with SDKs. You can have an automated way, an automated solution for fighting the bad guys.
All right. Do you have any particular examples that you want to share?
Yeah, so we have a number of customers, and one of the customers that I work very closely with is FIS. They're a financial services company that provides white label apps. So basically what they do is they release mobile apps on behalf of banks and credit unions. And those credit unions change the branding of the app, but it's essentially the same or very similar mobile app. And so what we do is help them secure all those apps. These are hundreds and hundreds of apps that need to be secured every month, sometimes multiple times, a month. And so we do that for them and protect, them from all the latest hackers and all the bad guys that are doing things. And so that's an example where they just really appreciate having a technology like that where they said set and forget.
Right.
So they just have to worry about it once, in terms of setting it up, and then DevOps just runs it over and over and over again.
Right on. That's so cool.
Hey, this is Todd with All Things Open. Thank you so much for watching. We truly appreciate it. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. We've got a lot of new content coming we think you're going to be interested in. One final favor, be sure to go to allthingsopen.org, allthingsopen.org to see everything that we do. Back to the video.
Well, we always like to give our community some advice. Can you share a tip, trick, hack, life hack, or whatever that for our All Things Open community?
Life hack. So I love listening to all these discussions. So I'm so excited to hear that all the sessions will be on YouTube because I'll just take them, I'll watch them, I'll walk around and listen to them, and so I gain a lot just by doing that, listening, and because I know we spend a lot of time on our screens watching or reading, but I find listening is a different experience. So that's my life hack.
Yeah, I think we've all had a little too much screen time lately, right? Cool. Well, thanks for your time today. How can people find you on the socials?
So I'm on LinkedIn and I'm on Twitter. So just look me up and. Those are the main places where I'm at. I'm happy to interact with people and folks there.
All right. Karen, thanks for your time today.
Yes, thank you.
I appreciate it so much.
Thanks, Jason.
All right.
Thank you.